Hey yo, 99, drop that shit, man.
Ghostface Player made this hit.
Flying in that airspace, so my way everything, and worst case scenario, I will just use this. I'll use this to reach like this. This is good.
There's a boat that I was trying to film, and then so the drone is probably somewhere in and around there.
So much funny shit. I've got gardening gloves so I can tear through some bushes if I have to, clippers, and then hilarious little wet shoes, super grippy booties if I actually have to walk on the other side. I'm about to join a SWAT team. I got my wolf t-shirt.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, there's just no way that I'm going to see this thing. And then literally as that thought crossed my brain, I looked over and I saw the body of it. And then my next thought was, I was like, there's just no way I can get in there. But I basically just crashed the paddleboard into all the brambles and then laid down and just reached out for it. But yeah, you won't be able to see this from the video. I wish I was filming. I wish I had a way of when I was over there. But if that drone had crashed even 8 inches closer to the water, it would have ended up in the water because it was like a complete stiff angle. And where it crashed, it was on flat ground.
Man, barely even a scratch. I might have to change a couple wings, but dude, unfucking real. Not wet, not in the water. Memory card's still in it. Oh my god, dude! I'm so stoked. I'm so hyped, man.
My dogs are out. My feet are gross from the weird wet shoes. Most people on the internet have to pay for this kind of stuff. You're getting it today for free.
All right,
yeah.
well.
Anyways, thanks for watching the video. I'm not gonna do the normal outro because I'm tired. But go buy stuff.
Boom.